Hi, I'm Miriam Joy and welcome to my studio. Today on our quick tip, we're going to talk about how to clean your silicone mats. I do want to give you one other tip. I punch these with a hole punch so I can hang them on a nail on the wall so I always know where they are. I just wanted to give you a quick tip on how to clean your silicone pad or your glue gun pad. And as you know, the glue just comes right off. That one was a little bit warm, but when it's cold, it just rolls right off. You don't even have to do anything. But we're starting to get dirty and glitter and everything, and so we don't always want the glitter on other projects. So simply just take it to your kitchen, put some dish cleaning soap just right on it, rub it with your hands, flip it over, do the same thing, and then either towel it or let it dry, and it's clean and ready to go again. Well, I hope you learned a little bit with that. And if you want to buy your own silicone mat, we do carry them at miriamjoy.com. They do come in a variety of colors, so I know that they're not always the same color. If you have any questions, you can always ask us first at art@miriamjoy.com. Thank you and God bless.